In this example, we are introduced to another type of two-way table, albeit that this two-way table represents the outcomes on the roll of a pair of dice, but it's still a two-way table nonetheless. Across the top here we have our columns. That represents the outcome of one of the die, and of course down here we have our rows. And in the body of the table here shows how the two dice intermingle. And this problem states, in the game of Monopoly, and you should have two die to play Monopoly, how many ways can we get a total of 8 when the two dice are rolled? So if you look right here, right through here, those are the set of dice that total to 8. We got a 6 and a 2, 5 and a 3, 4 and a 4, 3 and a 5, and a 2 and a 6. So the number of outcomes to get a total of 8 when two dice are rolled, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5 possible outcomes to get a total of 8 when you roll a pair of dice. Except let me point out a couple of things here. This right here, 6 and a 2, that's different than this up here. It's a different outcome. This is 2 and 6. Rolling a 6 and then rolling a 2 is different than rolling a 2 and then rolling a 6. Even though you may be throwing the dice at the same time, nonetheless, they can be counted as two different outcomes. Same way with here. We have a 5 and a 3. That's different than a 3 and a 5. The only time you can't distinguish between the two dice is when we have doubles. Here's a double here. Here's a double here. And a double here. And here. And here. And of course, down here. And we'll be revisiting a dice table in future chapters.